Hey everybody, and welcome to this weekly update. I'm going to cover off some of the Azure news and talk about what I've been up to, so stay tuned. Hey everybody, and welcome to this weekly update. I was going to say it's the first of 2021, but it's actually the second. So yeah, I hope you're all doing well and you're getting back into your work routine if you're back at work, or if you're just about to go back to work next week. Good luck with that. So in terms of the Azure news, we are still quiet. A lot of our product teams are all just getting back into after the Christmas holidays or break as well. So it's been a bit quiet. There are a few things that I want to touch on though. So one of the first things that I want to highlight is at the end of December, start of January, the Windows desktop team released a preview feature that would enable you to control if people can or can't screen capture data from your WVD sessions. It's currently in preview, as I said, but please do check it out, and I'll post some links in the description about how you can enable that. And hopefully that will be useful for a lot of our customers who are trying to keep some of the sensitive data inside their environment and not be captured. Now, the Azure Automation team also released that you can now have Azure Automation in the UAE North data center region of Azure. So again, hopefully that's going to be useful to a lot of our customers using those data centers. Please do check out the Azure Security Center blog, where they've done a roundup of things that happened in December and some of the features in January already that they're talking about as well. Those kind of blogs are always useful to bookmark because they update it at the end of every month and give you a summary of what's been happening, so you can keep up to date if you've maybe missed anything there as well. And I believe the Windows Virtual Desktop team do something similar, so I will find the link and I'll post that in the description as well. For me, I started back at work on Tuesday after having Monday off as a holiday. It's a holiday here in Scotland. And yeah, it's been pretty good to get back into that routine. Always a bit of a shock to go back to work after some time off, but it's been good to get back into a routine again and catch up with some of my colleagues at work as well. I'm just trying to organise my diary. I've got a lot coming up in the next couple of weeks. We are doing a lot of filming. I have a lot of video content that I've got filmed. Yesterday I was writing a script kind of what I want to say for a future video that I'm writing, and I'm working with a lot of other people to try and come up with some content ideas. So lots happening, lots of good things that I can't talk about that are happening over the next couple of months. So make sure you stay tuned, make sure you're subscribing and following the right channels to make sure you're up to date with all of that as well. So yeah, just trying to get back into the routine and everything around that. I think we've slyly or sneakily updated that we're having the Microsoft Ignite event in March. I believe it's the 2nd and to the 4th of March that we're having that. Seems to have been that the website was updated at the start of the new year, but no official announcement really. I don't think I've seen it has come out, but looks like those dates are the dates that are coming out. So I've seen some of the internal plans about what we're doing. Definitely looks exciting, the topics that we're talking about. Hopefully I'll get a chance to speak at it, maybe do some interviewing like last time, but definitely bookmark those dates and see what's happening around that. There are lots of things happening. Lots of call for papers have opened up for a lot of conferences, which are still online at the moment. So I'm definitely looking and seeing which ones I want to apply for. If anybody wants me to speak at any of their conferences, user groups this year, please do reach out to me. My diary is currently a bit empty, so there's lots of opportunity to speak there. So again, please do reach out to me if there's anything you want me to speak about. I'm looking at rejigging some of my sessions, adding in some new sessions and doing something different. Definitely looking to stretch myself over the next 6 months of the FY21 here at Microsoft and over the calendar year of 2021 as well. Trying to bake some of those numbers that I did last year. If you haven't already looked at my review blog or video to check out what I did last year and talk about that. But yeah, that's me. I'm still trying to get back into the routine. It's Friday, so looking forward to the weekend already. But like I say, it's going to be a busy January and a busy couple of months for me, so I'm just enjoying this kind of quiet time and trying to figure out where I'm going and how I can control my diary and not have to do 12-hour, 14-hour crazy days for this year as well. So I hope you're all staying safe, everybody. Please do reach out to me if you've got any questions, if you want me to speak at your events. Happy to do so, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next video.